Hi, it's time for the math easy solution. Time to discuss further into ellipses and now go over example 2 of the example series and solve this example, which states find an equation of the ellipse with foci of at 0 and plus or minus 2 and vertices at the point 0 and plus or minus 3. So make sure to watch my earlier videos to get a better idea what foci is, which is just the focus points of an ellipse, and vertices are basically, these are basically the points on the far end points of an ellipse that are on the same line where the focus or the focis are on. Now in this case, as you can see, these are on the y-axis. So if I were to draw an ellipse like this, as you can see, the foci is at 0 and plus or minus 2, so that's this point right here is 0 and 2, and at this point is 0 and negative 2. So this is on the vertical axis. So this is an inverted ellipse or a vertical ellipse. So now at this point here is at 0 and 3, and now this is at 0 and negative 3. So as you can see, this is different from the regular ellipse, which is horizontal. So now the equation of an inverted ellipse looks something like this, where you have the y has the a squared here, so y squared divided by a squared plus x squared divided by b squared equals to 1, where a is greater than or equal to b. In that case, so you'll just have a circle, and these are all greater than equal to these are all greater than 0. Now this is a inverted ellipse. Inverted ellipse. The difference between this and the regular ellipse is that basically a's are switched around. The a and b are switched around. So now in this case, like I showed in my earlier videos, basically at the vertices, vertices are basically at 0 and plus or minus a, and at the foci that's just 0 and plus or minus c. And we also know that c squared equals to a squared minus b squared, and this is also shown in my earlier videos. So basically we have all these. We know that in this case a is equal to 3, so a squared is equal to 9, and we know that c is equal to 2, so c squared is equal to 4. So now we just need to solve for b. So we have 4 equals to 9 minus b squared, and rearrange this, we get b squared, move this on the left side, move this on the right, equals to 9. 9 minus 4, which just equals to 5. So b squared equals to 5, and now we could plug in everything here. So we get y squared divided by a squared, which is just going to be 9, minus x divided by b squared, which is 5. X squared divided by b squared, just 5, equals to 1. And now this is the equation of an ellipse. We could also write this out in a different way by multiplying the bottom by 9 times 5 or 45, so we have a common denominator at the bottom. So we could do 9 times 5 of here, so basically do this times by y squared minus 9 times 5 of 5x squared equals to 9 times 5. And now this 9's cancel, these 5's cancel, and this equals to 45. So we get, so let's write equals to 45. So we get basically 5y squared minus 9x squared equals to 45, and this is just another way of writing the equation of an ellipse. Anyways, thanks. This is all for today, actually. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned from this example, and like always, you can download these exact notes in the link below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another math easy solution.